Lookout for an abducted child from Franklin County, last seen at 3111 Hatfield Court in the city of Columbus at 5:12 p.m., February 23rd, 2021. The suspect is believed to be driving a black 2003 GMC Yukon with license plate John George Paul 2058 from the state of Ohio. The child's name is Sol Minahan, a 1-year-old white male, 36 inches tall, weighing 38 pounds, with blonde hair and blue eyes. The child was last seen wearing blue pajamas. The suspect's name is William Hanna. Suspect is a white male, 50 years old, with brown hair and brown eyes. Suspect is 5'7", weighing 160 pounds. Suspect is also known to be armed and dangerous. Please call 1-877-AMBER-OH, 1-877-262-3764, or dial 911 immediately if you see the child, the suspect, or the suspect vehicle. This concludes the emergency alert system message.
Side of the building.